Hello and welcome to TaintedGreen.com, where we're focused on unearthing the truth about green. My name is Matt Jansen and I'm here on day 2 with the Samsung Reclaim on Sprint's network. Today we'll be taking a look at the software on the device. If you take a look at the home screen, the first thing you see is the nice green grass image, so that's the company's emphasizing the recyclable nature of the device. If you go into the home section, you can see a lot of icons here that are actually duplicates of the information you see on the main navigation. The only difference, main difference, is that there is a settings and tools icon on the bottom there. Returning back to the main navigation, going to messaging, this is where you can send pictures, voicemails, and this is the voicemail interface real quick. Go ahead and hang that up. Return back to messages, and let's send a text message to my email address, matt@taintedgreen.com. And I'll just type that in for you. And then we can hit the send button, and that should show up in my email box in a few minutes. Returning back to the main screen, let's move on to the next icon. The My Account section is a good place for you to see some basic statistics on how you're using your account. Pretty basic. Personalize lets you change your ringer, your home screen, your carousel. Just a few customizations available there. And Shortcuts is a good spot for you to add icons to the functions of the phone that you use the most. And then MySpace and Facebook are available. Fairly basic interfaces because once again the screen isn't terribly large on the Reclaim and doesn't render any complex content. Sprint navigation was intuitive in a couple of tests, and Google services were interesting. Maps didn't always display properly, the images didn't always load well, and YouTube ran into some problems with loading as well, giving me a general playback error frequently. So Google services, use at your own risk. I think it's a good concept, but maybe not as implemented as well as it could be on the Reclaim. Internet access is pretty basic, but helpful for anyone who is accessing a mid-level device. It should be more than enough. All the pages display in text, and very little in the way of multimedia content. Taking a look at the camera functionality, there's a camera button on the lower right of the phone. Pushing in that, you get the camera menu. We'll just go into the basic camera. You can see this is just showing the white backdrop. You got a couple of options. If I zoom in here a little bit, you have the ability to go a little bit darker or a little bit brighter depending on your settings. You can also do a self timer. I'll return back to the main screen, and we can just do a quick snapshot there. And then it asks if you want to save the image. So I went ahead and saved that image, and we'll return back to the home screen. And there you have it. There's a basic overview of the software on the Samsung Reclaim. Thanks for your attention, and see you at the next Greencast at TaintedGreen.com.